Extensive reforms are taking place in the way healthcare systems across the globe are financed, organized, delivered and operate. This has profound implications for the pharmaceutical sector and the perception of value of new pharmaceutical products across different settings. In this challenging environment, strong market access leaders are one of the key success factors in the transformation of the pharmaceutical industry. In this course, we have designed a breakthrough program to develop the necessary strategic and holistic competencies that the access professionals of the new pharma need. The Market Access Academy is taught over 5 days and is a mix of lectures, panel discussions and interactive case studies. All these components are interconnected and provide a unique learning experience for participants. This course is designed to equip you with several skills. Understanding healthcare system finance, organization and delivery, understand clinical trial design and the kind of evidence that you need to submit to regulatory and health technology assessment agencies, understand market access drivers and competencies, understand how to shape the environment and the role of different stakeholders, but crucially build a pricing and reimbursement strategy by taking into account the different competencies and the different requirements across settings. LSE is the leading social sciences university in Europe. Fantastic faculty who have extensive research and field experience at global level in the healthcare field and the pharmaceutical sector. Enormous networking capabilities with decision makers, ministries of health, health technology assessment organizations, procurement agencies and regulators. And of course it is a central London hub and this is where most things are happening. Where better to learn all of these things than the London School of Economics?